Hey there folks, Adam over here at McConnell Chevrolet Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Wanted to go over this 2011 Ford. It is the FX4 F-150 EcoBoost. This vehicle is in great shape. You have the nice wheels and tires. You have the running boards. On the back of the bumper, see the dots that are the parking sensors. Does have the full tow package. You have both light setups. If you look right there, whether you have a trailer with trailer brakes or just a regular 5-pin setup. Now, this truck does have the factory bed liner, and it has the sectional hard tonneau cover. You do have the backup camera there underneath the Ford, locking tailgate. Let's come back around here, driver's side. Tradition of Ford, you do have the keypad, so if you lock your keys in the car, you can put a 4-digit pin to unlock your doors there. Now, you are going to have the power windows, power mirrors. You have the child locks here for the windows. You're going to have the Sony surround sound audio. You're going to have the 10-way power seats, memory seats 1 and 2 there, and then your power mirrors are right there on the door. You're gonna have tilt wheel, pedal adjustments right there on the side, so you can kick the pedals out, either put them to the floor, or you can bring them closer to you, so you can sit closer to the wheel or farther away from the steering wheel in case the airbags deploy. Automatic transmission. You do have select shift. You have dual climate control, heated seats on both sides. You have the CD player still. Looks like it has navigation. You have cruise control, all the audio features. Now, you also have the sunroof there. So this slides back, full power sunroof. Looks like you have the controls right there. You also have the power rear sliding window, full leather back seat. Those do flip up. Now for the touchscreen radio, let's go ahead and turn on the audio. Let's get to the map and the full navigation system there. Automatic passenger airbag on and off. There's 80 pounds of pressure or more on the passenger seat, automatically turns on. Traction control, emergency flashers, of course your full audio system, heated seats on either side right here, and then you have the USB there. Come back around. Nice big center console, has the power outlet in there. Little change holder and for pens and notepad and whatnot. 4-wheel drives right here on the dash, so you can keep it in 2 high, 4 high, or you can drop it into 4 low. Looks like if you pull this out, this knob here, you get the locking rear differential. This truck is in beautiful shape. It only has 52,000 miles on it. A lot more I can show you about this particular truck. Once you're here, this at least gives you a quick view. Let's see, we got the head curtain airbags. Quick view all the way around of this beautiful truck. Pan around here. Gorgeous. Well, come see us here at 1365. excuse me, 1395 Healdsburg Avenue. I'm sending you to our neighbors here. Come see us here at McConnell Chevrolet, Chrysler Jeep Ram, and check out this beautiful 2011 FX Ford F-150. We'll see you guys here soon.